Good evening, madam. Today I am going to explain about a program which can take the information of two sets from the user and display the union and their intersection. Now going into the program, hash include diversity is the header file. Hash include diversity is also the header file of this program using namespace std. Now we have to declare a as 0 and b as 0. Now we are going into the two subfunctions in this program. The first one is int print union. In that, int array of 1 of 5 and int array of 2 of 5, int m and int n. Now going into that function, we have to declare the required variables, that is int I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. And now we have to execute the while loop for the condition I less than m and j less than n. If it was true, now going into the while loop, we have to execute the if condition for array of I is less than array of j. Then display array of 1 I increment. Otherwise display if array of 2j is less than array of 1i, then display array of 2j increment. Otherwise display array of 2j increment and increment the I as I++. Now going into the print intersection function. In that, int array 1 of 5 and int array of 2 of 5 and int m and int n. Now in that function we have to declare the required variables. In that we are declaring int I as 0 and j as 0, and we have to execute the condition while for the condition I less than m and j less than n, and we have to execute the if condition for the condition array of 1 of I less than array of 2 of j, then increment the I. Otherwise array of j less than array of 1 of I, then increment the j, and else cout array of 2j increment and increment the I value as I++. Now going into the main function, we have to declare the required variables. Now I am declaring the I, j, array of 1 of 5 and array of 2 of 5, and display as enter the array 1, and we have to execute the for loop for the condition I equal to 0 and I less than 5 and increment of I, and read it as array of 1 of I, and display the and after that we have to display enter the array of 2 elements, and we have to execute the for condition for j equal to 0 and j less than 5 and increment of j, and read it as array 2 of j, and then calculate the int m as size of array divided by size of array of 0, and calculate the int n as size of array of 2 divided by size of array of 2 of 0, and then call the function print intersection array of 1 array of 2 m comma n, and then call the function print union array of 1 array of 2 m comma n, and get character and return 0. Now we are going to execute this function. It will be asking like enter in the output, it will be asking like enter the array on elements. Now I am going entering the 1 2 3 4 5. In array 2 I am giving the same elements such that we can find the intersection and the union. 1 2 3 4 5. So the intersection elements are 1 2 3 4 5 and the union elements are 1 2 3 4 5. The main applications of this program is to calculate the intersection and unions of these functions and sets. These are mainly used in calculating the mathematical transforms and other calculations. Once again we are going to execute this function for another output. It will be asking like enter the elements of array 1. I am entering 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. It will be asking like enter the elements of array 2 too. Now I am going to enter as 22, 33, 44, 55 and 77. So intersection elements are 22, 33, 44 and 55, and union elements are 22, 33, 44, 45 and 55. 66 are the union elements. Thank you sir. That's all.